there's a cord. Just so
My
you
face
know.
look
Yeah,
crazy?
let's address it.
Is it red? Is it really red?
Instagram ready. Instagram me.
Oh god, I look terrible.
But I will put a monster assault in a margarita glass. No, it's a martini. Anyways, you guys, how about Kiss Kiss Slap? So much good stuff. So far so good. Everybody's all right? Yeah. Good. I want to just play a quick game. It's called Our Side is Better Than Your Side. So, everybody on this side of the room from this pillar. Man, hey, you just hit somebody. Yeah. From your side to my left, stage left. On the count of 3, I'm gonna ask you to make some noise. What the fuck?
We're live!
Oh, guys. Great. If everybody doesn't know, there's a thing that Aurora and I enjoy.
And it's not each other's company.
It's not each other's company. It's on Facebook, and we go live every Friday. It's a good way to kind of bond and just share our relationship.
Which is friends.
They're just friends. This one bugs me this week. She's standing at about 5'8", 5'9".
Hold on, I'm gonna hold on. You ready?
Stop it.
Shoes!
There it is. That's it. This is what it is. If everybody just yells,
Tell me when to go.
filled with joy. She just wants attention. Don't give it to her. Everybody just said, don't care. All right. There it is.
Fuck you! Fuck you!
This is a real thing. All right. All right. Nobody bullies here. All right. Yes.
I'm just kidding. I love you. You're good.
That's how therapy works every Friday, and you can watch it live every Friday on Facebook. Good. We got it.
Was that it?
We got it. We got it.
Should I go?
Yeah, you should go.
Off the stage?
Yep. Get out of here.
Okay.
All right.